Hey there, darling. This is Faith Hunter, and welcome to a morning wake up practice in bed. Now, I am recording this from, oh my God, Treasure Beach, Jamaica. Now, this is right before the hurricane happened. I'll probably say about, oh my goodness, like 3 weeks and before the hurricane happened in 2025. And I was staying in this beautiful villa in Treasure Beach owned by Irie Escapes. It's called Minerva House. And yeah, I wanted to bring you guys something special. Now, as you guys can see, my hair is a mess. And yeah, I have on my eye mask. That's how I sleep. I did this straight out of bed. So come on and join me. Stretch it all out, move those shoulders. Start to take a couple of deep breaths in and out. And yeah, I felt a little tight here. It's all good. If you're feeling tight through your neck and shoulders, go on and massage those as well. All right. Legs are crossed or extended out. Go on and place your left hand over your heart, the right hand on your belly, and just start to set your personal intention for your day. Take some deep breaths in and out of your nose, repeat any affirmations, or for whatever you need to. And then after that, lower your hands, place them on your knees, and let's do a little neck release. So you can drop your right ear over to your right shoulder, your left ear over to your left shoulder. Just kind of move gently back and forth, whatever feels good. Take it slow here. And then we're going to turn the head right to left. So you're kind of gazing over your left shoulder, then your right shoulder. Left and right. So guys, I have on no makeup, by the way, as I'm kind of moving my head back and forth and I'm looking at these wild hairs in the back. I'm really giving you guys the live full in effect. Okay, now it's time for us to move the head chin to chest and then lift your chin up. Just gently, gently stretching out the front of the neck and the back. Nice and easy. Keep your spine long, shoulders relaxed. And don't forget to breathe, yeah? Don't forget to inhale and exhale. All right, now we're going to make some circles. So you're going to drop your chin to your chest, head over to the right, lean back, and over to the left. Now I want you to think about drawing circles with your nose. So again, nice and easy circles over towards your right shoulder, back, and left shoulder. Slow and easy, guys. Keep the spine long and, of course, the shoulders relaxed. And continue that. Be aware of what the sensations are doing in your body. And when you're ready, start to reverse. Over to the left shoulder, head back, stretch it out, and soften your chin to the right. Slow and easy. By the way, as I'm doing these, I'm actually listening to the waves because the ocean, right, the beach was only a few steps away from my room where I was staying in one of their beautiful master suites. All right, come back to center, shake everything out. I'm just kind of flinging and shaking. And go on and take those legs from under the covers. Shake those legs out. Shake the hands out. Maybe rub the body a little bit. Circle the ankles. And just move in any way that feels good. Yeah, I'm kind of giving my feet a little massage. My shins a massage. Just waking everything up. Really feeling into your body. And then bring the soles of the feet together if you want. Oh, I'm still doing some more rubbing. Look at me. Now it's time to do a little tapping. So go on and take your hands and tap the feet, tap the shins, rub and tap. By the way, this is a really great lymphatic drainage that I kind of like to do in the mornings. So not only are you awakening the nerve endings, you are getting that stuck fluid in your body moving. Tap, tap, tap. Awaken, awaken. Massage. Get behind those knees, behind the ankles, the shins. Let all that extra fluid that does not need to be in your body go. I am doing some serious tapping because now I am moving up into my arms. So go on, tap, tap, tap. Shake it, shake it. Yeah, get under those armpits. Switch hands. Get the right armpit. Tap, tap, tap. Now I'm going in for some squeezing. So I'm taking my hands and just massaging right there underneath my armpits. Doing a little belly massage. Still working on lymphatic drainage here. Rubbing the belly back and forth, right hand and left hand. So the right hand's on top, left hand's on top. I really enjoy this movement. I'm shaking, moving, really awakening and stepping into my day. All right. If you want, you can stand up on your feet or knees and just kind of rub right there in your groin. So some of that stuck energy gets trapped right there in your groins, and that's definitely a great place to start to release that lymphatic drainage. Move around a little bit, shake your spine. As you can tell, this is a very somatic type of morning practice because this is typically what I do first thing in the morning. So my knees are bent and I'm kind of starting to soften a little bit into a child's pose. Now my child's pose is pretty wide. My big toes are together, my knees are apart, and my belly and chest kind of drop in the center. And know when you're ready, you can walk your hands all the way over to the left side. So you're stretching out the right side of your body. And definitely take some long, deep breaths here in and out of your nose. Go and walk those hands all the way over to the other side, stretching out the left side of the body. Deep breath in, exhale, empty out. Okay, darling, go on and bring yourself back to center. Swing those legs forward again. And you can open the feet out about hip bone distance apart or wider, whatever feels good. And you're going to take a nice, easy forward fold. And as you can tell, I love massaging my own body. So if you want to massage the legs and the soles of the feet again, you can as you ease into this forward fold, massaging my neck, whatever feels good. And then slowly inhale, begin to lift your body. Cross your legs. Take a nice deep stretch, reach those arms up overhead, and exhale, twist to the right side. Relax the shoulders as you gaze over your right shoulder, breathing deeply in and out of your nose. Just feeling. Allowing yourself to ground into this moment, setting your intention for the day. And when you're ready, ease the body over to the left side for a gentle twist to the left. Left hand is behind you. Right hand is on your left knee. Breathing in. Exhale, twist a little deeper if you can. You got it. Bring your body back to center and let's do some spinal flexion. So inhale, chest forward, exhale, round the back. Now I'm lifting my chin up on this one because that's what feels good. And you can see even my knees are rocking back and forth. My hands are moving across my knees. Inhale, chest forward, exhale, round. Yes, get it all moving. Get that synovial fluid pumping through your body. Inhale, exhale. I'm taking these a little faster, but no, if you want, you can slow down. All right, it's time to do a nice little lateral stretch. Drop the left hand over outside your left hip. The right arm sweeps up and over your head. Keep the center of your chest open. And whenever you're ready, ease over to the other side. So right hand is going to drop outside your right hip. Left arm is going to move up and overhead. Stay with your breath. All right, darling, go on and lift your body up. Take another moment, breathe in, exhale and feel. Deep breath in, exhale. Now that you can close your eyes in this moment and place your hands, palms facing down. Allow the breath to flow softly in and out of your nose, and we're just going to find a moment of stillness. If you like, you can drop into a little breath work with me, placing the left thumb over your left nostril and breathe in and out of your right nostril for a few breaths. If not, you can just breathe gently in and out of your nose. Now, with the left nostril closed and you're breathing in and out of the right, you are simply starting to activate a little more energy while still staying in this state of clarity and calm. Slowly lower your left hand. Place your left hand over the center of your chest, your right hand on your belly. Give yourself a nice big smile. Thank yourself for showing up fully and completely and making a commitment to awaken your body, your mind, and your soul and step into the day in pure alignment and truth with who you are. Stay soft, stay grounded, and always stay spiritually fly. Ciao.